welcome back to my channel. If you are new to my channel and happen to stumble by, I'm your girl Bella, and I would totally love if you join me on my YouTube adventures. Happy Monday! Hello, my glorious friends. How are you? I'm in a very good mood. I'm in a very, very, very good mood. I hope you all had a fantastic weekend. Okay. Lots to do in this video. Lots and lots. So let's jump right in. So I hope you guys had a great holiday weekend. I hope everything was great. Did you see the video on this? Oh, it's so cute. Over the top, Mrs. Claus's kitchen. I love it. So my kitchen is my heart of my home. I love my kitchen. I love kitchens. I mean, I really love kitchens. Trust me, I really love kitchens. I'm declaring, let's do it. It is Monday. So what do we do on my channel? We declare. I am declaring that I will find a house that has my dream kitchen. There, that's what I'm declaring. That's what I'm declaring today. I would love to know what you are declaring in his name, because I'm telling you, it works. Okay. So we got that out of the way. We got our declaring out of the way. Please stay positive. Stay positive, okay? Take all that negativity, especially negative self-talk. Do not say things, I'm pointing, so I'm sorry. Do not say things like, example, oh, I have ugly hair. No, you don't like your hair? I get it, because I got a love-hate relationship with my hair too. Say things like, my hair is going to be beautiful one day. There we go. Say that. Say nice, positive, affirmations for your hair, your body, your weight, your whatever. Say good things, positive. Always catch yourself and say something positive. The new people here are wondering what is going on. I thought this was a decor channel. Yes, but on Mondays, we declare in his name. So, okay, the kitchen. What is more important in a house than a kitchen? I mean, other than the bathrooms. Personally, I love kitchens, and I love to decorate a kitchen, especially for Christmas. So this is what I did. I am continuing this Mrs. Claus's theme in my kitchen. So it's like a candy cane mixed with gingerbread, mixed with, all the cutesy wootsy stuff that I love. I had made a really beautiful wreath last year that I was sure that I was going to keep, and I was sure that I would use it again this year. I can't find it. So we're going to make a new wreath. I already pre-filmed it. I'm going to roll the clips, and we're going to do that. And then I'm going to show you what we did on the cabinets. Okay, my sweet friends, this is why I really wanted to do this DIY with you. Because I know for a fact that many of us are watching these really elaborate tutorials on how to make a wreath, and some people make it look so complicated, but I'm telling you, it is not complicated. And wreaths are so easy to make. Just use your imagination. I mean, truly, just use your imagination. And I'm telling you, don't be scared, because you can't make a mistake. You just can't. Okay, so what I've done here is I took a regular Michael's grapevine wreath, and please excuse my hair and my look, because this was like impromptu, but then I turned the camera on and I said, I'm going to film it for my peeps, because I know they like it. So I just added this galvanized gingerbread sign because it matches my kitchen. And then I'm adding everything I own. I didn't buy a single thing. They're these little berries. They came off of something else. Well, I'm adding them. And I did add the greenery. Some of it I wired in, and some of it I just tucked it into the grapevine wreath. And so simple. I'm not even using a hot glue gun for most of this. But you will see I do use a hot glue gun after. Like right now, when I'm going to put these little gingerbread men on. And they're picks. They're from Michael's. I had them from last year, and I'm just going to glue them on. The one tip I can tell you is use an enormous amount of glue. Just use a lot of glue, and it'll help stick it on to the greenery or stick it onto your wreath. And again, I'm making a funny face, so please forgive me for that. And I'm telling you, wreath making is so much fun, so much fun. So don't be afraid to do it. Really, don't be afraid to do it. Just use your imagination and use what you got, and you're going to make a beautiful wreath. Okay, so we got that done. Now let's move on, because I'm going to put another gingerbread man down here and then another little tree on that side, just to even them out. And there you got that done. And now let's do our bow. You know what? I'm so short on ribbon that I just used a little bit of the red and white candy cane ribbon because I didn't have any left. I just don't have any left. And I didn't want to go out and buy a whole new roll of it because I told you next year I'm going to do a different theme in the kitchen. So I was like, okay, we got what we got, and that's good enough. And again, I use wire for everything. I just love wire ribbon. And what makes a pretty wreath is make sure you dovetail your ends of your ribbon because it'll make it look so much prettier and very professional. Like you paid a fortune for it, but on a minor cost. Okay, I had this little green, white, and red pick. And then a little cupcake had fallen out of another pick. So I put them together. I'm twisting it. And I'm going to position it and make it part of the bow. And that's it. And now you got a really elaborate bow with some candy. And I just think it looks adorable. Look at that. Okay, we need some more candy. So I'm going to add these little candy picks. And so cute. Michael's, guys. Michael's from a couple years ago or last year. I can't remember. And there's another one of these picks. And I thought it was so cute. I think they look really cute, these picks. And one more. Or am I going to add it? I don't know. No, probably not. There we go. I did add it. Okay. It looked a little sparse to me, so I'm going to grab a few more of these cookies and add them to the wreath. Same thing. Make sure you put lots of hot glue and hold it on there for a few seconds, and that is it. There we go. Our finished wreath. Perfect. Okay, sneak peek. The kids came to help me put the ribbon up. Angela was not impressed. That's her friend. Guys, the only reason why they helped me is because I'm petrified of heights. And they wanted to help. And they're very cute in helping. And this is a nice memory I'm always going to have of Angela. Guys, there is the finished wreath. It looks so, so cute. It's not as nice as my other one, but hey, it'll do. Okay, so you saw the clips of the kids putting up the ribbon. I have a few spots right here that I need to put the little bows, these bows right here. You see these little bows, the coordinating bows. Because this is the ribbon that's on my tree this year. And I really like it. Let me pan back so you can see it all together. Because it does look adorable. So I need to make some bows still. I need to do those down, that one down there, and this one up here. And I was going to show you how to make these cute little bows if you're interested. So let's make one together. Okay, friends. So this is how I make my bows. I take a little bit of wire. I like to wire every single thing on the planet if possible because I really love this green wire. So I just cut like a little piece of green wire with my wire cutters. You know, nothing too fancy. And this is how I do it. And this is also a very good tutorial for gifts. So I take the ribbon, and this is all I have left over, these two little pieces. And we're gonna make some bows. And these are just simple bows. So what I do is I kind of eyeball my tail and I pinch it. I start pinching it together like that. And I got it pinched together. And then I take the ribbon and I fluff it right away. And I make the loop and I pinch the loop to the part that we've pinched already, like that. And then I twist this. And then I loop it. And I do all this by eye. And I pinch the back. So you got it pinched like that. You see, they're even. And then you just twist the front of the tail. Grab your wire that you already cut. Put it in the middle. Bring it to the back. And twist. That is it. That is it, really. That's all you got to do. So simple. And then you're going to cut yourself a tail. And so that tail's going that way. So then the other tail will go this way. And that's it. Easy peasy. And there we got a ribbon. So I'm going to make two more because I'm missing 3. And this is a great bow to put on a gift. You know, if you're any gift, really. And it always looks really nice. Especially if you have like a wine bottle that you want to take as a hostess gift or something. That's always a good idea. Okay, my sweet friends, you know what I'm going to do? I'm going to show you what I've done so far. So you saw the ribbon, and I really like it. I really like the second year I've done this, and I think it just looks so cute. And above here on this side, I think I'm done this side. What I did, and sorry about the fan, but you know, Southwest Florida, we're roasting. I mean, I am anyways. I haven't acclimated yet. I added some Christmas greenery in that vase, and I left the bread box. I left it all the way it was, and I just added presents coming out of my bread box. And I thought that was cute. Now, here above my fridge, I didn't have enough ribbon, so I just put that little sign up there. So I think that's okay. And then, so I hung this little gingerbread towel guy off of the fridge. But I'm going to show you the countertops. Now, I do not like clutter on my countertops whatsoever. So here's my kitchen Santa, and I think he's adorable. He's got his little gingerbread house and his candy canes. And I just put my little lamp, because I like to have a little light in the corner of the kitchen. But I corralled it all on this little galvanized tray from Walmart. And, you know, I added a little tree, the little penguin cookie jar, and I thought that was really cute. But I want to show you this. So these 3 plates that you see here, these are my most prized possession. I love Fitz and Floyd. I have for years. Look at this one. He broke years ago, but my dad tried to glue him back for me as best as we could. And I mean, he shattered in a million pieces. So, and I like this, and I wanted to show you this. I've done this before, and I thought, let me do that again and really showcase my Fitz and Floyd plate. Because look, I have all this counter space free to cook on, but I still have my decor. And I love it. Isn't it cute? So I just took a shelf and I put a little greenery, a little garland, this little sparse garland, added a few picks, like candy picks, and then the 3 plates on clear plate racks. And that was it. Because really, I don't have a lot of room. Oh, let me show you this. Okay, and here I have this little diffuser. Isn't it the most adorable? It is so adorable. It's got little lights in it. And this was a gift from one of my subbies. Thank you so much. I don't know if she wants me to say who it is, but she knows who it is. And I got these, guys. Let's see if it'll focus. Hello. Okay. Apple cinnamon from Dollar Tree. $1. I figured, hey, why not? I got 2 of them. I got a lemon something and that one. So let me pan back so you can see. I don't like a lot of clutter on my countertops. Really, truly, I'm not a fan of clutter. Let me show you the other side. And here's the other side, and that's it. I really don't have a lot of counter space. So here what I did is I took my brand new cutting board that we made in the shop. This is from my shop, if anyone's interested. I have a few more left of them. And I just corralled my spoons, my kitchen, my rule sign, a little tree, and then my salt and pepper and some herbs that I use. And then there's some more cutting boards. This cutting board, the big one, that's really banged up, that's from my shop also. And the marble one, because if you roll out, anyways, you all know. And then I just put my Mackenzie child, and look how beautiful this is. I've had this for years, and I know it's all the rage right now at Pottery Barn, these mercury glass ones, or like a gold one. I just love mine. I found this at TJ Maxx or Home Goods, one of the places. And then over here, I have the Better Homes and Garden wax warmer, which I haven't filled yet. I'm going to light it up. I'm going to fill it and light this up. It is so beautiful. It's, this one is gorgeous. Okay, so this is what I did on the top here. Now it's not done. And I'm going to ask you for your opinion, because you see that lonely lantern up there? That's got to go, but I'm leaving it. I was thinking of putting ribbon and little lights around the trees and around the Mrs. Claus Bake Shop sign that I made. I think I made that last year. Did I make that last year or the year before? I can't remember. But this is sad. So I want your guys' opinion. What do you think I should put up there? Because I'm a little stumped this year. I'm a little stumped. And I'm also stumped. Do you think I should put something above there? Like, should I or should I not? And yeah. Okay, my sweet friends, that is the end of the video. What do you think? Now, I was gonna do this decorate with me style, and because I know people love that kind of thing, but I gave you a DIY today. I mean, I gave you two, the little bow one, but that was nothing. And I really like how my kitchen turned out, but I am gonna declare that I'm getting a much bigger kitchen. Much bigger kitchen. I think it's not cluttered. That's what I think. It's enough. It's enough decor. I mean, the cabinets are over the top. This is from that store. Do you remember that store I took you guys to where I found this? I want to get some more towels and stuff, but I know I have them. I know they're here somewhere, somewhere. But that is it. Anyways, thank you for stopping by today. Thank you for spending some time with me. Make sure you give the video a big thumbs up. Please give it a big thumbs up. Let's get those numbers up. I mean, I'm not gonna make the goal I wanted. I really wanted to make it to 15,000 by Christmas. And I always said this, and I'll say it again. When I get to 15,000, I want to give away 15 prizes. So let's hope I get there one day. I mean, at this point. Anyways, I hope you guys have a fantastic week ahead, and I will catch you on Wednesday. Bye, YouTube. Bye, everybody. Mwah.